Many people messed up with this simple algebraic expression here. We have here 2 to the power of 2 plus into parentheses 48 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Now, many people have this 2 to the power of 2 plus into parentheses 48 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 close the parentheses divided by 2 to the power of 2. Now they consider this 2 to the power of 2 that gives 4 plus into the parentheses. They consider multiplication first. We have 48 divided by 4 times 2 that gives 8. Then divided by 2 to the power of 2. Now at this point they will have here 4 plus in parentheses 48 divided by 8 that gives 6. Then divided by 2 to the power of 2 that gives 4. Now right here we consider addition first. 4 plus 6 that gives 10 divided by 4. Then this can also be expressed as 10 all over 4. Then they reduce this by 2, the numerator and denominator, and this equals 5 all over 2 in improper fractions. In mixed fraction, they have 2 and 1 over 2, or in decimal, have 2.5. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. To get this correctly, we are going to have this. Now, we have 2 to the power of 2 plus into 48 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Here we are going to consider this order of operation PEMDAS. We have this right here. Multiplication and division have the same precedence. Addition and subtraction have the same precedence. Now, following this order of operation, here we are going to first of all consider here parentheses. We need to simplify the terms inside the parentheses, and inside the parentheses we still have division here and multiplication, and multiplication and division have the same precedence, and the row here we are going to move from left to the right, and we are going to have this 2 to the power of 2 plus into here we consider this first 48 divided by 4, that 2 give us 12. When multiplied by 2 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Now still in the parentheses, we are going to consider multiplication now, and we have a 2 to the power of 2. Here 12 multiplied by 2, that gives us 24 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Now from this order of operation, we are going to consider exponents. Now we are going to simplify this 2, and here 2 to the power of 2, that gives us 4 plus 24 divided by 2 to the power of 2, that gives us 4. And again, see from this order of operation, we are going to consider division here because division is of high priority than the addition right here when we are considering this now. Now we have 4 plus 24 divided by 4, that gives us 6. And lastly, we consider addition now. Therefore, 4 plus 6, that gives us 10. And this is the correct answer of this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.